Hello all. Now let's solve the eighth problem in finding the kth smallest element in an array. So let's see what does that mean. This is the input array. 4, 3, 20, 15 and k is equal to 4. So what does this mean? And it says output is 10. So what is k? What is output 10? So first of all, if we see this array, this is an unsorted array. So they mean to say once the array is sorted, so we will have to go by ascending order to find the smallest element, which will be the fourth smallest element in that order. Is the ask here. So let us reframe this array. Let's say now we have sorted this array. So this should look like 3, 4, 7, 10, 15, 20. So as per this, K4 is, if it's 0, 1, 2, 3 and the output 10 is, that is nothing but K minus 1 because it's starting from 0. So we are going to find the third index, that is k minus 1, which is nothing but 10, that is our k is equal to 4. So this is what we have to do. So this means that we have two steps to do. One is to get the array in a sorted order. So once that is in sorted order, then based on this position it is easy to find the element. So to sort, there are many sorting techniques. I will be using bubble sort to sort this array. What bubble sort does is it checks with its adjacent element. So if the element that is adjacent to it, if it's lesser, then it will swap it. So again, if it is lesser than, then that will again it will check it. It just keeps on checking it with its adjacent element. So like each iteration is called one pass. So like that, so it will, so at first pass what would be the result is like 7, 10, 4, 3, 15, 20. So we would have seen 20 coming at the end. So the highest element would be placed at the end. So this is the thing that happens. So like that we will have to do the iteration based on number of elements that we have, and we will finally determine that this will be in this required order. And then once the array is sorted, we can find the kth smallest element, that is nothing but based on that array position, it will be array of k minus 1. That will be our answer to it. So let's do that. First I will write the main function, public static void main, where it will pass the integer array. String args, sorry, this is not the main method, sorry, it will be of standard function string args. Here I will take that integer array that we have in that main function, which is nothing but 7, 10, 4, 3, 20, 15. So this is our array. Next int k equals to 4, that is what we were looking for. Now I will call the function sort of array, and they will print that element. Will say console.writeLine kth smallest element will be, okay, we will just say kth smallest element will be that parameter array of k minus 1. So this will get that sorted array, and based on that whatever will be the k minus 1 position, that will be our output. So now, having said that, we will have to call the sort function. So I'll have to define another class. This can be an internal class also, kth smallest. Inside that, this is the bubble sort function that I'm writing here, void sort of int array, whatever is the array that we will be passing it from here to this, and this is the function. So as said, it has to have two loops. One is I and one is j. J is for the comparison, I is for number of passes, number of rounds it takes to sort the array completely. So that depends on number of elements that we have. So for that, now we'll say for for int j equals to 0 is less than the dot length minus I minus 1 j plus plus. Now if of, we'll have to compare, right, that element with the next element. So it will be if of array of j is greater than the second element j plus 1, then we'll consider a temp variable to swap equals to array of j. Array of j will be array of j plus 1. Array of j plus 1 will be equal to temp. So this will be our logic. So this will find out, this will reorder the array into ascending order, and then it will give the k minus 1 element, which is nothing but our third element, and that is 4, that is the index 4, and the output is 10. So this is how I am doing this problem. Thank you.